Hey, what's up guys, I'm Pavitra back with another video, and today I'm going to show you one secret fault application. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So this is one of the best secret fault in the Play Store. This is a calculator. Inside this calculator there is a secret fault. So you can hide all your data inside this calculator. No one can find your data inside the calculator. So there is a process by which you can access your data. The process is you will set one secret password for the calculator, and when you type that secret password, then only it will give you the access to your data. In this application you will get a lot of options inside this. There is a fingerprint option too, also a double verification method for getting access to your data. And another best thing is you will get a uninstall protection for this application. So no one can uninstall this application without your permission. So this is one of the best features of this application. So that's it for today. Hope you like the application. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.